Automated welding brings several key advantages in field applications compared to manual welding. It delivers highly consistent quality and precision. It reduces the impact of weather and fatigue, which is especially important on long-duration projects. It also provides predictability in productivity, scheduling, and rejection rates during final inspections. With proper planning, it improves safety for both equipment and assets by controlling heat input, minimizing distortion, and avoiding issues such as burning fumes. Another major benefit is versatility. Automated welding can be applied across different vessel types, materials, and geometries. Most importantly, it helps operators meet very tight turnaround schedules, ensuring the full scope of work is completed on time, something that can be very challenging with manual work.